here we go. We're looking for the immersive art Lugia. I'm not going to peek the packs. Emolga, Porygon 2, Mareep, Jake.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Are you kidding me? Who's better than us at this? Are you kidding me? Let's enjoy it. This is so cool! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! That's so awesome! And it was the first of the 10 packs! Are you kidding me? That's nuts. Okay, well, I guess the video's over. We'll see you next time. Thanks for being here.